Hello everyone, today we have a 2015 Ford F-250 Super Duty with the Lariat package. This truck has a clean title. And it is running smooth as could be, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. This is a local trade-in. So it does have the fog lights up front, the tow hooks, polished alloy wheels, keyless entry, has the FX4 off-road package. There's your tow package, and it also has a fifth wheel prep. Power sliding back window. Fixed running boards. And a bed liner. So it does have black leather seats. Super clean. So we'll go ahead and hop in. Okay, and as we look down here, you'll see that it has 72,626 miles on this vehicle. Then you got your push to talk, your cruise control, stereo controls. Over here you have your 2- and 4-wheel drive shifter, additional power supply down here, your trailering controls. As you come up here, here's your navigation. We're kind of looking into the sun, so it's going to look a little bit different. Okay, and the stereo has AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth, and SD card, and then you have an audio in as well for an auxiliary cable. Then you have a 110 volt outlet down here, glove compartment, 4 cup holders, and you have additional stowage down in there. And then up here you have glasses holders and your map reading lights, and that about wraps it up for this F-250 on the interior. As I mentioned, this truck does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.